loves. I know y'all see it. Yes, your girl did it. You asked, so why would I not? This is my vegan beef liver and onions. I'm going to start off by mixing my flours and I season it with some Red House season and vegan powdered beef bouillon. Next, I add in my liquid smoke, vegan Worcestershire sauce, oil and brownie, and some water. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix it, and I'm going to knead it until it's a tougher consistency. Once I pull it apart, I'm going to separate this into about 4 to 5 pieces. Then I'm going to shape it out to what I think liver should look like. Next, I'm going to wrap it up in some foil. You can absolutely use cheesecloth and add this to a steamer for about 45 minutes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and season my flour with some Red House seasoning and give this a nice little shake in a paper bag. Then I'm going to add this to a skillet with some vegetable oil. Cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. Remove it from the pan and add in my onions. Add some more Red House seasoning and get that nice and caramelized. Move that to the side with a little bit of oil and some flour so I can start working on my gravy. And I like to add in my water gradually so it can be super smooth. Next, I add in my vegan beef bouillon and I add some more seasoning. And I'll be sure to include the ingredients to this recipe in the description box below. And I do not measure, guys, so I'm going to give you guesstimates, but I promise you this is going to be absolutely delicious. And when I tasted this, the texture was spot on. Your girl hit her home run, and I can't wait for you all to try this out. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Ciao.